This is your boy Skimp. Welcome to another thing of South Haiti Kitchens. And what I'm finna do today is scallops with a sweet potato puree. So let's start off with this sweet potato. Let's start to get that peeled slowly, like that, gently. Make sure you let the peeler do the work, always. Keep peeling it like that. Just keep it working, nice and gently. Keep going around slowly, like that. Once you got it like that, still got a little brown on it. Let me get that off. Nice and gently. Gonna rinse it. And to make a puree, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to boil this. We're gonna pull it in the boiler, let it boil for 30 minutes. But during the time while it's boiling, now I'm finna jump into the scallops. Now, I want them seasoned through during the time, let it marinate during the time while that is boiling too at the same time. So the first thing we're gonna use is a little salt. Gonna season it nice and beautifully, gently. Gonna add a little pepper. Nice and gently, that's how the way you want it. And I'm gonna use some garlic and parsley. Ain't nothing like when you use garlic. Garlic is like the best seasoning that you could ever put on, especially when it comes to seafood too. Garlic's the best. Since that's done, what we're gonna do, just squish it around a bit, let all the flavor go through the scallops, nice and gently, just like that. Let it marinate. Beautiful, I like it, love it. Then what we're gonna do, put it back in the refrigerator, and while that's boiling, open up the fridge, put it in there, and that's it. And I'll get back at you. Now we back. Now I'm gonna go over here to the sweet potato. As you can see, I had it nice and boiled. Throw it in the pot. Actually, I want to add a little water to it too while I'm making this puree. Throw it in there. Go ahead, ditch the rest of it. Actually, also too, I want to put a little sugar in it, just a little bit. Since I pretty much boiled all the sugar out of the sweet potato, just a pinch, just like this, just a little pinch. You want to get it, have it that sweetness, and that's what I want, that sweetness. Then put it in the blender. Stop that. I always give it a taste. I always want to taste. Need just a little pinch more sugar in it. Just a little bit, just a little small pinch. Also too, when you're cooking, everything's always about taste. You gotta taste it. You gotta taste it. perfect, beautiful. Love that. Now, what I'm finna do, come over here, heat up the oil for the scallops. Let that heat up for maybe a minute. Let's bring it out. I'm only cooking 5 at a time. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 scallops. So I'm cooking 5 at a time. So we're gonna let that heat up. Let's bring the butter out. Let's get some butter. 1 stick of butter. Cut the fire on a little higher. Make sure that grease melt properly. Make sure the pan get nice and hot where we want it. It's gonna take about 1 minute, man. I'll get back at you. Now, since I got the pan nice and hot, now it's the time to put our scallops in. Gently. Already pre-seasoned. Then, ooh, you love that. When you hear that sizzle, oh boy, that's A1. I'm only cooking 5 at a time, so we cut the heat down just a little bit. And we making pan-seared scallops. Technically, it takes a minute, minute and a half to cook on each side, which we're gonna do. So that's what we're working on. A minute, minute and a half tops. Depends on the heat. Sometimes how hot your pan is. Also, too, I'm gonna do a little wipe down. I always keep the kitchen clean. I always keep it clean, nice and clean at all times. I always have a clean kitchen. Bottom line, when you're cooking good food, that's the main key. Clean kitchen. Time to check it. It's not ready yet. Yeah, it's still searing on one side. Cut the heat up just a little bit. And I love it when it just hear that sizzle like the most beautifulest thing ever. Especially when you're cooking scallops. I love it. Well seasoned. Been marinating for about an hour or 30 minutes, something like that. Well, a little over 30 minutes. But scallops are seasoned beautifully right now, if you ask me. And what I'm finna do is cut a little butter in there, just a little bit, a little touch, two small slices. Let that soak in with the seasoning while it's cooking on one side. Oh boy, I can just smell it. I'm talking about the smell is incredible right now. I love it. Just spread that butter around gently. Just go around in the pan and spread it around just like this. Just cook it. Love the smell. I'm talking about that fragrance is unbelievable. I'm talking about, boy, when it comes to fresh scallops, then what we're gonna do is turn it. Well, it's not ready to turn yet, but actually we want to get it brown on one side. Once it starts browning, then we'll turn it over. nice and gentle. That's the traditional way to cook scallops. I was trying to mix the butter in with it. And that's the main key, that butter. And, oh God, and garlic butter with that light pepper on it. It's beautiful. See, we get a nice sear on the scallops. Flip it over a little bit, cook it on the other side. Nice little brownish, where we want it. Turn it over, nice and gently. And you can see it got that nice little brown, golden little crust on it. We're gonna cook this for another minute and a half, 2 minutes on this side. Then we're gonna flip it over one more time. Okay, you don't want to overcook the scallops. Just want them nice and perfect. Nice and perfect. Always keep checking them. Make sure it ain't brown on the other side yet, which is it ain't haven't. So it's going to cook a little longer. But I love perfect scallops. Overcooked scallops, undercooked. Nah, you don't want that. You want them in between. It's perfect. Especially when it comes to cooking scallops. Don't take too much. It don't take long, but very short to cook scallops. You throw another little thing of butter in there, a little slice. Everything's always about seasoning. Taste, 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 which I'm gonna do right now. Taste. I want to taste the butter garlic sauce. Oh boy, beautiful, perfect. That's how I want it. It's not over seasoned, it's not under seasoned. It's just beautiful. Wow. I'm talking about, that is fucking amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, perfect. Can't get no better than that. See, it's starting to brown. Turn it over. That's how you want it. You want the perfect cook. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful scallops. I love that. Let it cook for one more minute, then I'm gonna take it out the pan. And now, whilst that's cooking, take out the plate. Gotta dress it. A spoon. Time to dress it a little bit. Pour a little here, a little there, a little there, There. And one more. Puree. Well, I'm having a little trouble getting it out, but it'll be alright. Since I got that, I always taste. Puree is good, delicious. Now, time to come over here. Nice golden brown scallops. Gently on top of the puree. Oh boy, this is beautiful. I'm talking about these scallops couldn't get cooked better than what it is right now. I'm talking about beautiful. Look at that. How golden brown them is. Jeez, what beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Spin that over. Put that on top. Just like that, nice and gently. Put the pan down. And what we're gonna do a salad in the middle. Nice fresh salad. Put it just like that. Nice and gently. Put that to the side. Nice and gently. Nice. Shredded cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar. Best. Just gently, just throw it on top of there like that. Gently. Very gently. Just like that. And can't forget about the Italian dressing. Throw some of that over there, or French, whatever you chooses to use. But we're using zesty Italian dressing. Just gently, just go over it. Just take it easy with it. You don't want to flood it. Now, this is my take on fresh scallops with a sweet potato puree and a salad. And this is Skimp B from South A Kitchens, and I'm out. Thanks again for watching another episode of South A Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And it's the boy Skimp B, and I'm out.